Today, we're diving into the Generac CorePower Home Standby Generator Maintenance Kit. This all-inclusive kit is engineered for excellence, specifically designed for Generac's advanced V8 engine. It's a comprehensive maintenance solution containing all the necessary components to ensure regular upkeep and peak performance of your CorePower Home Standby generator. The kit provides essential maintenance items to keep your generator running smoothly and efficiently. Housed in a robust and weather-protected aluminum enclosure, this generator is built to withstand the elements, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. One standout feature is the enhanced safety measures, including built-in low oil pressure and high-temperature protection. This means your generator is equipped to operate safely and reliably in various conditions, giving you peace of mind during power outages. The package dimensions make it conveniently compact, making storage, transportation, and access to the maintenance kit a breeze. Whether you're a homeowner or someone responsible for residential power solutions, this kit simplifies the upkeep process for your standby power solution. In summary, the Generac CorePower Home Standby Generator Maintenance Kit is a must-have for anyone looking to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of their power solution. It's a reliable and well-engineered package that provides everything you need for the regular care of your generator. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.